Welcome to our Meta Marketing course for beginners. As we begin, I'll guide you through the fundamentals of meta marketing. We will start by understanding how to set up your account effectively and move on to building your first campaign. Along the way, I'll walk you through all the essential settings you need to know. Remember, it's not just about theory. We'll be putting our knowledge into practice from the get-go. By the end of this course, you will not only understand meta marketing, but also have your first meta ad campaign ready to launch in Ads Manager. Let's start your journey to mastering meta marketing. Allow me to introduce myself quickly. I am Vidhi Singhal, a digital marketing professional with over 5 years of experience. I have worked with a range of Indian and international clients, managing budgets for a few lakhs to 30 crore rupees per month. My portfolio includes clients who have achieved significant results in terms of their KPIs. Let's take a brief look to our course overview. So in section 1, we will learn about why meta ads, why you should use meta to market your business. In the second section, we learn about meta ads manager account setup and all the prerequisites. Here we'll learn about how to create a meta account, what all prerequisites required, what is the meta ad account structure, pixel installation, and ad account billing and payment methods. In third section, we learn about campaign objectives and setting. Here we learn about exploring campaign objectives, understanding campaign settings, ad set settings, as well as how to create ad set. In the fourth section, we learn about audience targeting. Here we are going to learn about all the kind of audiences offered by Meta. Now, in the fifth section, we will learn about ad formats and copywriting. Here we'll understand ad settings and formats, ad copywriting best practices, ad creative guidelines, ad testing and iterations. In sixth section, we learn about reporting and optimizations. It will include ad performance matrices, optimization strategies, reporting, and insights. And at the end, in the seventh section, it will be a bonus lecture for you. In this, I'll help you understand how you can create a long-term strategy and how you can get the account accesses of your client's account or of your friend's accounts. Now, let us quickly look into the first section.